So it's 7 a.m. I'm on my way to go see Paul Richards of Mile Studios. We're going to go for a hunt for Ash. He's found someone in Newton Abbot who was selling on Facebook Market, and I think he's arranged with him to go see him. And if not, we'll then go to Yandles. So whilst my car's defrosting in this awful weather, I thought I would try and do the first vlog of the day.
You hop in your bike's backseat, like, where are we going?
I was going to pull the handbrake then. And I was just like, for about 50 yards. So one of them is that it's an all oak guitar.
I didn't want to be one of those people who sticks a camera in random people's faces, and considering we didn't know this guy, I turned the cameras off. We loaded up the Ash into Paul's van and headed back to his workshop. We immediately started cross-cutting all the planks into lengths of 480mm and then ripped it down to 200 and then 190, removing any of the bad edges. Paul kindly let me cherry pick the Ash that I wanted for my guitars, and I immediately started to plane the face of all the pieces. I then proceeded to do the edge as well. We then pulled out his little thicknesser, which is in between the bench and the planer itself, and I started to thicken this down to a desired size so that I can then put it onto my machine and skim down. So I'm back at my workshop after planing up the Ash with Paul. So now I'm going to glue it up and then we can go onto the machine. I've got this bit of flame maple off of eBay, but I don't have a planer thicknesser in my workshop, and basically I want to try and see if I can do it actually on the machine itself. So I'm going to try and do it in two parts, skim one side and then basically give myself a joining edge, and I'll flip it, do the same with the other piece, and then I'll get that glued up ready. So there we have it. That's the Landrake body, just been cut. I did sand it actually prior to the shooting of that, and did put some lights on it as well, just to make it stand out a little bit better, to really highlight that maple cap. So if you've enjoyed this, please like, subscribe and comment down below. It does mean a lot. And until next time, goodbye.